to write a little bitty ditty about a big old train.